MSI GS65 Stealth 005 15.6 inches razor-thin bezel gaming laptop. Review deal discount unboxing setup. When it comes to gaming laptops, the Male GS series is one of the best 2 years in a row. Equal to the Gigabyte Aero 15 and just a bit behind the Razer Blade 15. It says that it should get 8 hours on battery. 6.5 in reality isn't bad at all. Awesome gaming laptop. I've owned other MSI thin and light laptops and it's thin and light even compared to those, despite having a lot of power under the hood. Screen is clear and bright, keyboard feels good and the lights are fairly easy to configure, and the sound is pretty solid. Nothing whatsoever to complain about so far. This laptop is incredibly spec'd for the price. It feels great and looks great. The laptop is not 5 stars because the chassis could be sturdier and the motherboard is flipped upside down, making upgrading very hard. Also, MSI. If you are reading, please make a variant with a simple MSI logo on the back instead of the dragon. I bought this laptop because it looks professional, however, I need to cover the dragon with something. Great laptop. Very thin and powerful. The only drawback I could find is the light bleed at the top corners of the screen is a little too much. Outside of dark scenes you will not notice it. Pros: beautiful screen with amazing colors. Beautiful small and thin design. Great spec. Keyboard. RGB lighting. Price. Display: crisp, bright, tiny bezel, great resolution. Keyboard: very well optimized, key press feels awesome. Performance: speedy, a lot of power packed in a tiny package. Form factor: outstanding, really the form factor and design were huge selling points for me, and they did not disappoint. Cons: trackpad looks awful. Complicated and many steps to register the product. Overall review: in general this is a very beautiful gaming laptop, thin and small with great specs for reasonable price. If you game you'll likely need to buy an external hard drive. The one included fills up quickly. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.